These are the restored saws. This is a XL102 automatic with manual override, 58cc, built in the early 70s. A GB Professional sprocket tip bar, automatic oiler manual override. That would be a 750, 112cc with a Homelite Tournament of Kings restored sprocket tip bar. That was a tournament saw. We have the Homelite XP130. That's an early 66 saw. That's the first year they came out. 66 automatic oiler with manual override. 100cc gear drive. So we have a XL123. That's a 71 saw. Don't see a lot of those. And we have a XL500. That's got a heat exchanger. I forget what they call those on the side here. And that's a restored 65 saw. We have an XL automatic in the middle here. And then another XL500 saw here. This is the Terry saw. That's an XL500 Terry. There's the green and whites. That's a XL, or no, that's a VI944. Points ignition, 82cc, vibration isolated, Oregon bar, power match bar. And then a VI922, that's a Canadian-made 82cc saw with an early Oregon bar. And down here we have another VI944. That one is for sale. And it's got the Oregon power cut bar on it, 24-inch. I believe that is, maybe 28. And then we have a model 2000. That's an original. The original bar it came with, 1968, bought it from the original owner and restored it. Full wrap handle. That's a massive saw. Well, that about does it for the saw collection.